Hi guys and welcome to How to Experts. In this video, I will show you how to go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once on TikTok, tap on your profile. Then, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Once you are now in Settings and Privacy, this time, you're going to click on Report a Problem. Over at Report a Problem, scroll down. And then in here, click on Live. In here, click on the option that says How to Start a Live. In here, click on No. Then, you're going to report the problem that you have with your TikTok application. So go ahead, take your time in typing. Or you could also wait for me to finish typing and then you could copy what I'm writing over here. You could also add an attachment such as a video and photos to support and make sure it is evidence. Once done, click on Submit. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.